Hello everybody and welcome to RC Adventures Turbos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install these 3D printed mud blockers, I guess, from getting up in your body and twigs and sticks and things. You can find this link to this file down below, but I hope you enjoy. Okay, so your first step is going to be to take these screws right here off that are holding the control arms on for down here. So, and you take them off mine, and just remember to put them back where you found them. Mine are in the second position, or middle position for both of them. I actually have an upgrade kit on my, so this is not a stock vehicle, so your control arms might be in a different location, so, but first step anyways is to take these screws off, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now I've got these off. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but this fits in right here. Unfortunately, it covers up that sticker right there, and unfortunately also covers up my lights, undercarriage lights, which I'm really disappointed about, but I guess I can move those somewhere else. But anyways, you're gonna take and put that right there. Then it's hard to see, but this little hook right there should just go over your screws. So you just put that on the frame, and then you'll stick your screws in there and just screw it back in. And then you just repeat the same thing for the other side, and I'll show you that in a minute. So here is the completed product. I actually think that I should be able to just take a drill and just drill right through here, and that will let that light shine through. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing for the other side. You just take the screws off and then put them back on, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's finished. So there you have it. I put these on and they look really good. It's kind of surprised me. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.